welcome back to my channel. Oh, it is such a hot day today. I don't know if you guys can see, but like I'm glistening, and this is not oil or any shimmer. This is sweat. So this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this wig on my own because I wanted to try it. So I'm going to be giving you guys a review on this wig. Is by Sensationnel, and it's a headband wig. HB unit 5, and it's a 1B. So this is how the hair looks. I didn't wear it, but I did take it out the pack because I was gonna wear it for July 4th weekend. So I bought it with me to my event, and I bought 2 wigs because I'm so extra. So I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna wear this wig. I was gonna wear this in the pool. This was gonna be my pool wig, but it was so long. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna rock my regular wig for the pool, and I ended up not even wearing this, but this is how it looks. It's super long. It has one clip in the front. You can put it loose, but it has this little adjustable strap right here, which I think is really cool. And it also has clips in the back as well. So I just went through all of this to make it look a little bit more natural. When it was dry, it was just giving very wiggy vibes. So I said, you know what, it is synthetic, so it doesn't like hold water as much as a human hair wig does. So it's gonna dry up eventually in a little bit. But I wanted to show you guys that you can wet it. As you can see, and it has that wet look. It doesn't look super dry. Now I did a little bit of my edges. My hair is braided, but it's like 2 weeks old, so I still have like, you know, a little bit of frizz around my hairline. So I just used the little frizz to make a little bit of baby hairs, but it's not a lot because like I said, my hair is like mostly in braids. I'm just gonna take this off because my edges are like hard to hold. Like I have thick hair. Okay, so let's see how it came out. Okay, I have a little line on my forehead, which I hate. But other than that, I like the baby hairs that came out good. Yeah, it looks really pretty. Let me show you guys how it looks from the back. No, I like this wig. It takes a little bit of like, you know, like, wetting and, you know, using a lot of gel and stuff like that, because if not, when it's dry, it just looks very wiggy to me. And it's like some of the hairs right here, they stick up. When I first put the wig on, the hair stuck up, so it just looked crazy. So you need to wet it and use lots of gel and lots of products, and it takes all of that, so that's really good. You know, I left a little bit of my edges out. But all in all, I think this is a really pretty wig for like vacation. I would wear this if I was going like to the Bahamas or to my country Belize, or you know, an exotic vacation. This is just really cute because you know your head is not plastered with glue. You can, you know, let your forehead breathe. I hope you guys like this super quick tutorial. I just wanted to throw this in there because I wasn't even gonna do a review or anything on it. I was just gonna wear it personally for my personal, you know, life. I wasn't gonna like review it, but I was like, you know what? I haven't worn it out yet, so I was like, you know, it's just sitting in my house. Let me just show my subscribers. Maybe they might like it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think below. I love you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video, but until then, keep slaying.